Independent candidates trade allegations of intimidation and violence 4 days before the polls. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Karian Simpson. Also this evening, leaders of the two main political parties make final rounds of campaigning this weekend ahead of Wednesday's general election. And cattle causing huge losses for farmers in Manchester. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the details right after this break.